today's color palette consists of many leftover paints that have been sitting for months. Some of these are paint drippings from previous pours, like this light violet color, and this one too, light gray violet, lavender color. But I have a variety of silver, pewter colors. This is a light blue, more silver. This is a pearl white, silvers and dark blues, another pale blue, pearl white, and just plain white. So I'm just going to play and create something abstract. I'll probably do some type of maybe a flip cup and swipes over it. the simplicity and the balance between light and dark colors, especially the negative space and swipes. And there's some wispy effects in the lacing. It's very pretty. I didn't use any of the gold, as you can see. I still have a lot of paints left over that I didn't even use. This is a 12 by 36. So the ingredient that I used for my cell activator, surprise, surprise, is house paint. Sherwin-Williams Colored to Go. And this is the high reflective white color. So I mixed that roughly 2 parts American Floetrol to 1 part Sherwin-Williams paint. I just had some paint in the bottom of another one and I mixed some Floetrol with it, so I didn't measure, but it was roughly 2 to 1. And then that's what I spread over the palette knife and swiped over the flip cups just to soften them out and provide more negative space and lacing. And I decided not to tilt from top to bottom. I decided to keep the straight lines rather than get, wavy lines. So they're basically straight across. So very simple and elegant. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.